And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Next in antique tools, what I picked up is an old wrench. It is a, hold on a second, I'll put the glasses on. Of course, did I put this earpiece in right? Yeah, put that underneath. Okay. It apparently is a Wakefield wrench, number 19, made in USA. It's patent pending, and for other countries, it's, see, maybe you can read it. Maybe you can read it. There it is. Works good. Paid like what? $8 for it. Not bad. Go inside. Go outside. Throw it in the pile. The other cool thing I got was this old Vise, which is pretty cool. The knob is missing a pin, so if you turn it, the knob just kind of pops right off. Needs a pin. Needs some Evaporust. It has no. Oh, there's writing on here. I had no writing that I could see, but apparently now I found a spot there's writing on it. Anyway, I'm going to plop it in Evaporust. It's missing the little handle on the bottom here. Little cups here. It looks like there's a pin in here. And it looks like this thing probably pops. After you peen that out, this thing probably holding pops out. The little guard here looks like it's wrecked. I don't think you even need that. There's no other writing that I can see other than what I just found right here. And possibly right there. So anyway, $12. Not bad. Quick little vise. Added to my miniature vise collection that I'm building up. Bottom screw is, I'm probably going to take this off. Bottom screw is kaput. So I'll put a new, maybe, or I'll take it off or I'm going to bend it. Just screw it in to give it a whack or heat it up and bend it. Just so it's straight and then leave it. But I don't know. I haven't decided. Nice old vise. Other than that, that's it for my vintage crap that I got. And that's it. If you check out the neighbors I have listed below the video, my comments, and like and subscribe. Thanks.